What up guys, Darren here from D&D, and in today's video we are going to take an in-depth look at the brand new Poka Premium Bucket Trolleys, right? And we've sold a good few, well, they're both known as bucket trolleys or bucket dollies, depending on what way you want to say it. We've sold a good number of bucket dollies over the years, and numerous different makes and models that took the traditional 18 litre detailer's bucket, and I really do feel Poka Premium have finally got it right. They finally made the perfect recipe in terms of what you'd want from a bucket dolly for both professional use and for a home user, right? And we've got two of them here, which is your wash and your rinse. They're the two different options they come in, and I'm going to quickly run through the pros and cons of this bucket dolly and my reason I like this product so much, and the little one to two bits that I think are a real key feature that they kept in mind, right? First of all, it takes your standard, as we all know it, your what we now call the 18 litre detailer's bucket, right? So it takes the fit quite well. It probably would, there's a bit of slack around it, so I would imagine it's going to take a different bucket made by other manufacturers, but it definitely takes the cleaner car one quite well. On the back you will see there is 3 spots for taking detailing brushes. Now, why would you have that? I'm going to tell you exactly where you're going to have that in this product. That is for your wheels, trim, badges, grills, all that kind of stuff. You're going to want a different size brush for doing boot ledges, door jams, all those kind of places, engine bays. That's why I think it is. That's my first point, that I think Poka really have thought outside the box of this product and thought, right, how can we improve somebody's both commercial and domestic setup? How can we really make a product that's going to add value to that person's business? Which is having these guys on site, so you don't have to throw them on the ground, so you're not just leaving them around the ground out in your wash bay. I think is a huge pro. So I do. You need to be able to keep them elevated. First of all, they're not gathering grit, and second of all, you know where they are. You're not searching around the place wondering where did you let them down when you clean the last wheel or door jam or whatever you're using the detailing brush for. You know exactly where they are. As I said already, it holds the 18 litre bucket quite sturdily. The next point I like is the fact it actually takes. Now this is more for your domestic use, guy at home, more than the commercial use, right? We probably won't end up using it for this use, but the fact it can hold your snow foam and your shampoo, right? If you're commercial using stuff, you're probably going to have all your chemicals pre-made. If you're a guy at home, you're going to be making stuff as you're using it. So that's why I think it's such a plus. You know, you can wheel this. It's got your bucket, it's got your detailing brushes, it's got your chemical. You can wheel this into your shed and off you go. You're done, your kit's put away. Now, commercially, this is why I think this is a fantastic design, because this design takes both a 500ml and a 1 litre quite well, fits it perfectly. It also means it fits a snow foam lens, which is why I think this is the second key feature of this product. For us, outside, and we've got our 2 bucket dollies put together outside, and we're doing 2 bucket method in all our cars, the snow foam lens is usually the one that's left on the ground, and when it's left on the ground, because it's top heavy, it ends up falling over, as you can see there. Ends up falling over, big annoyance of mine. So I like the fact that this now has a holder for that, and with us we're running 2 if not 3 different snow foam lenses, depending whether we're running snow foam in one, shampoo in another, or maybe we're testing a new product or whatever. So we're often running 1 to 2 snow foam lenses day to day anyway, so the fact that it has a location for both of them I think is a fantastic feature of this product. And like that, as I said already, takes 500ml, takes 1 litres like the Gtechniq stuff, and it also takes snow foam lenses and other bits and pieces. Look, I'm only going off the stuff we use day to day. I'm sure you guys at home, you're going to use other products by other brands that you'll see straight away once you see this product, that's going to fit my needs, that's going to work for me. We've got the cleaner car detailing brushes here, but I would imagine it will also take numerous different brands detailing brushes in the exact same location. We've got 4 sturdy casters underneath, 2 that are lockable, 1 and 2 that are lockable, and then 2 that aren't lockable. Sturdy casters, we've had a bucket dolly before that had 5, and I always felt that it kind of fought against you as you're trying to move it into your garage, versus I think this thing moves freely. Now it's on top of the table at the moment, I know that, but we are going to put this, what we call in use, very very soon. We're going to put it into our own detailing bay, and we're going to show you some in use shots of this day to day as it's been worked by our detailers. So there you have it guys, you have the wash, and you have the rinse. The rinse, they're both the exact same, just different lettering depending on what one you want to go with, or you can go both of them. We're currently running 3 different kits. We're running the bucket dolly on its own. You take a pick between 2 of them, bucket dolly, bucket, grit guard, and then we're doing we're doing one offer for a limited time only, which is you basically get it completely full. You get your shampoo, you get your snow foam, you get your 3 detailing brushes, bucket and grit guard, all for the price of just the dolly, bucket and grit guard. So you're getting the chemical free and you're getting the brushes for free. That's going to go live on our website. By the time this video goes out, they might already be half sold, and if you're looking at this video 6 months, 12 months later for a quick review on this product, unfortunately that offer's probably already been run and completed. So there you go, guys. There's the 2 dollies. There's all its uses. As you can see, it is it's the perfect for both home and commercial use. I think it's going to do quite well in the market space in the next couple of months. Next, we're going to show you a quick video of me actually putting this one together. So we're going to show you how simple it is to put this product together. It's just a couple of bolts, and you just need an Allen key and a spanner. Everything else is supplied by Poka Premium. To be fair, it's all in the box, and it's quite straightforward and simple to put together, which is it's an enjoyable build. So it is. So now, guys, there you have it. That is the Poka Premium Bucket Dolly.
Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Blacking out, fret just fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who